Hello, I'm Louise Thompson, and I'm on the ground floor of 31 Queen Street in Melbourne. And this is the building where our next wellbeing workshop will be hosted. I've just popped in up to the 20th floor where we're hosting our workshop. It's pretty noisy around the bottom of our building, but upstairs it's tranquil. The view is great because there'll be a lot of reflection on our workshop, thinking back to what it was like to not be busy, and then to talk about what's happening at the moment, what's consuming your time. Is it important, or is it the urgency in life? And the focus really is all about what is going to help us be more mindful about our well-being. What is it that we have to do to be healthier and happier? It really takes a concerted effort, a map. And that's what you'll leave with when you attend our wellbeing workshop. So please book. We love working with groups of women, and generally the workshops are full of women with very similar issues, and we love each other, helping each other to sort that out. See you on the 26th of October. If it's not you, please help us find women who would really benefit from a day away to breathe, to think, to feel what it's like to feel when the busyness is left behind.